and a couple of extra tips on using the shark lift away. Again, this is the, what is it, NV601. Basically, when you're using it on the stairs in lift away mode, definitely want to be going up, right? Because coming down, I found I nearly got tripped by the cables. And what I've also found helpful, even though you've only got the one notch for the cable, is to kind of wrap it around the back and over, and it doesn't restrict the movement. But what you really want to do is just to keep some of that cable out of the way, so that helps. And also, when you're holding it, counterintuitively, you actually probably want to hold it this way. Now, I'm left-handed. I don't know if you'd be, but I kind of do some things right-handed. I don't know if you'd be holding this with your left and the wand with your right, but either way, you want that facing forward, really, rather than what you think it should be, like that, because then I found if that's at the back, you're kind of wrapping this around you. So you really want to just face that the opposite way to what you think. And then if you are cleaning the stairs, you could see that kind of gives you a nice way to work. It's still a little bit of, fuss, but then if you do have it turned around, you can still wrap that around your back, kind of thing, so it takes up some of the space, but you got less movement. Either way, it takes a little bit of getting used to. This is still quite heavy, even though they say lift away, it's still heavier than you think. I mean, it is a big unit, but it's all plastic, so still pretty good, but perhaps not quite as good as it might look. Either way, those are my just extra thoughts on vacuuming with the shark lift away on the stairs, and some extra tips. Right, see you soon.